Hello, I welcome all my young learners to my channel. Okay, today's grammar topic is noun and pronoun. Okay, there will be so much of interesting questions. So are you ready? Can we start? Let's get started. The first we are having questions on noun. Okay, the first question, which one is a noun? Here you have been given 4 options and you have to identify which option is a noun. Okay, your options are run, cat, jump, quickly. These are the 4 options. Now quickly identify which one of them is a noun. Is option A noun? Is option B noun? Is option C noun? Or is option D noun? Which one is noun? It is option B. Cat is a noun. Okay? Okay. Next question. Question number 2. What is the noun in this sentence? Now you have a sentence over here. You have to identify the noun in this sentence. Okay? The sentence is, the dog is barking. Now identify the noun in this sentence. Your options are barking, is, dog, the. These are the 4 options. Which one is a noun in the sentence? Quickly identify the noun in this sentence. I know all of you are so intelligent and you will be able to do it quickly. Do it quickly. It is option C. Dog is a noun in the sentence. This is the noun in the sentence. Okay? Okay. Let's move to the next one. Choose the noun. Here you have been given 4 words. You have to identify which one of them is a noun. Okay? Your options are happy, teacher, slowly, read. These are the 4 options. Which one is a noun? It is option B. Teacher is a noun. Next question. Question number 4. What is the noun in the sentence? Again, you have been given a sentence. You have to identify the noun in the sentence. Okay? The sentence is, I saw a big elephant. Now quickly identify the noun in the sentence. Is it saw? Is it big? Or is it elephant? Or is it I? Which one of it is a noun? Quickly identify the noun in the sentence. It is option C, elephant. Elephant is a noun in the sentence. Okay? Okay. Question number 5. Which word is a place? Now here what you have to identify? Place. Okay? Your options are apple, park, blue, eat. Now out of these 4 options, you have to identify which one is a place. Okay? Is apple a place? Is park a place? Is blue a place? Or is eat a place? Which one is a place? It is park. Park is a place where kids play. Right? Okay. Question number 6. Which word is a thing? Now here you have to identify what? Thing. These are the 4 options. You have to identify the thing. Okay. First one is pencil. Next option is play. Then it is she. And then it is fast. Which one of them is a thing? Thing. Identify quickly. It is option A. Pencil is a thing. Okay. Okay. Next question. Which one is a person? Here you have to identify what? Person. Here are your 4 options. John, red, loud, run. These are the 4 options. Identify the person out of these 4 options. It is option A. John is a person. Okay? Okay. Question number 8. What is the noun in this sentence? This is the sentence. You have to identify the noun in the sentence. She has a pink bag. Now, what is the noun in the sentence? Is it pink? Is it has? Is it bag? Or is it she? Identify the noun in the sentence. Which one it is? It is option C, bag. Okay? Okay. Question number 9. What is the noun? Here you have been given 4 options. Now you have to identify out of these 4 options which one is a noun. Options are sing, happy, boy, under. Okay, these are the 4 options. Which one is a boy? Which one is a noun? It is option C. Boy is a noun. Okay. Okay, question number 10. What is the noun in this sentence? Your sentence is the car is red. What is the noun in this sentence? Is it is or is it car? Is it red or is it the? Quickly identify the noun in this sentence. Which one it is? It is option B, car. This is the noun in this sentence. The word car is a noun. Okay. Okay, so we have reached the pronoun part of our exercise. First question is, which word can replace the noun Ravi? Okay. If we have to replace now Ravi in a sentence, what are we going to use? Are we going to use he or it or she or we? Which word will replace Ravi in the sentence? It is option A, he. Because Ravi is a boy, so we are going to use he to replace it. Okay? Okay, the next question. What is the pronoun in this sentence? Sentence is, she is my sister. Now identify the pronoun in this sentence. Is it sister? Is it she? Is it is or is it mine? You have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Which one it is? It is option B, she. Okay? Okay. Okay, question number 13, fill in the blank. This is my dog, dash is brown. Which word should I put away here? Options are he, it, she, we. These are the four options. Which one is the correct option? It is option B. This is my dog, it is brown. Okay, okay. Next question, question number 14. Which one is a pronoun? Here you have been given four words. You have to identify the pronoun. Okay. Your options are table, girl, he, run. These are the four options. Identify the pronoun in these four options. It is option C. He is a pronoun away. Okay. Question number 15. Replace the noun with a pronoun. Okay. Okay. Here this is the sentence. You have to replace the noun with a pronoun. Sentence is Rita is dancing. Now you have to replace Rita. In place of Rita, what are you going to put here? Dash is dancing. What am I going to put over here? Your option is he, it, she, we. Which one is the correct option? What are you going to put in this blank? Rita is a girl. So you'll be putting option C. She is dancing. Okay, next one. Which word is a pronoun? These are the four options. You have to identify which one of them is a pronoun. Options are book, fast, they, run. These are the four options. Which one of them is a pronoun? It is option C, they. Okay, question number 17. Fill in the blank. Amit and I are friends. Dash play together. Now, which word should I put over here? Your options are they, he, we, she. These are the four options. Which one should I put in this blank? It is option C. Amit and I are friends. We play together. Okay. Question number 18. What is the pronoun in this sentence? This is a sentence, I am going to school. You have to identify the pronoun in this sentence. Your options are am, school, I, going. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option C. I is the pronoun in the sentence. Okay. Okay, next one. Which pronoun replaces the boys? Okay. Options are he, they, we, she. These are the four options. Which one is correct? We need to see the pronoun which will replace the boy. Instead of the boys, what can we write? They. Okay, option B. Okay, question number 20 is a fill in the blanks. This is Tina, dash is my cousin. Now, which word should I put over here? He, she, we, they. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option B. This is Tina. She is my cousin. Okay, with that we come to the end of this exercise. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.